Hello, in today's video I make a review about this Brazil jersey from the World Cup 2022. Here you can see the engineered badge on the bottom of the jersey. Here you can see this interesting and very nice pattern in the material of the jersey, and of course the customization number 10 with the original font of the Brazil national team. It's really nice, it's a really interesting font, and because this is a font version jersey, all the badges, the logos, this Brazil logo is embroidered on the jersey, as well as these 5 stars, but it's really nice quality as you can see. And the Nike logo embroidered as well on the chest of the jersey. And now let's go to the neck and the collar. It even has this button on the collar of the jersey. It's size XL, and as you can see, every little detail is made with high precision. Here is embroidered this really beautiful design on the inside of the jersey. Close up about the neck of the jersey, it's this elastic material, and it's the same like the sleeve of the jersey. Here you can see it as well. But now let's go to the back of the jersey. This one is customized, and it's really nice because it can be customized with the original font and the original numbers, letters, everything, even with this small Brazilian logo on the bottom of the number. Here you can see it's really nice. The numbers are really interesting in this font with these sharp corners, and the letters as well. You can customize any letters from your language, as you can see, up to 14 characters, so it's really nice to have this option. And in this order I also had a Germany jersey, but I have many videos about Germany jerseys, so I just show you this one real quick. You can check the other videos for more details about these jerseys. This one is also really nice. It's a fun version jersey, so everything's good. I even had a third jersey which was wrong in this order. They made me the wrong customization, but the customer service was really nice, and I talked with them and they will send me a free jersey with the correct customization. This is what I like about this website, that they are really high quality and really reliable. Thank you, and you can save $5 using my invitation code from the description. Goodbye.